Yeah, Peter Neuhaus, CEO autoVimation, Vision Show 21. We had 3 years time to develop new products, so we have really completed now the hygienic building kit. It's the first hygienic building kit for food applications, pharma and clean room. I mean, we had the enclosures before, but we also did a redesign for requirements. So now we completely comply with the hygienic requirements, and it is safe to mount these camera housings above the conveyor belt with open food. And we also, the new thing is now a complete mounting system. So we have hygienic feet, and we can mount these steel rods. And with these T-connectors and those elbows, we can make a complete mounting system for assembling cameras above a conveyor belt. And it's all suitable for high-pressure washdowns. It's IP69K. It's every surface is sealed, so even if they clean it at night with high pressure and we get food scraps onto the enclosures, it's very easy to clean, and there is no risk for contamination. And it's the first time really worldwide that a system like this is available. So it makes it a lot easier to install cameras in a food environment or clean room environment. And these are a couple of more new products here. So we have developed a polarization filter for our Meganova ring light. So that makes it possible to completely filter out reflections. Because of course you always look in the same direction, camera and ring light. And with polarized light, you can just rotate the polarizing ring, and you can eliminate reflections completely. And yes, of course, our Dolphin series, also a hygienic design enclosure with extensions that makes it easier to reach the lens settings with longer lenses. We have a very small colibri with a dome window, so for fish eye applications with S-mount lenses. We got, of course, our series of enclosures for the Intel RealSense cameras. So for the D455, 415 and 435. We have an enclosure adapter, so you can also use our Meganova light with the smaller salamander housings, makes it more compact. And we have a new Megalodon enclosure. It's on the inside, on the outside exactly like the Orca, so 96 by 96 millimeter. But on the inside, it's 87 millimeter diameter, so it's a little bit wider than the Orca. And it also fits like larger JAI line scan cameras or a FLIR A400 camera, for instance. And for the FLIR thermal camera, we have also developed a window with a thermal germanium window and a normal glass window, so you can actually use both cameras of that camera. And then we have a new range of fine positioning systems, so like a linear axis with or without a digital display. So you have a positioning accuracy of 50 micrometers. You can just easily combine 3 axes for an XYZ system, and for fine positioning of cameras. And in the future we will also have a rotation and tilt axis. Yeah, so that's, I mean, also not something new, but something really important I can show you here. Of course, the specialty about our enclosures is the very good heat dissipation. So here we have a Basler Ace camera that is already at 48 degrees at room temperature without any enclosure. But in the Salamander enclosure, it's only 29 degrees. And the reason is because we have a very good thermal contact between camera and enclosure, and so the enclosure works like a heat sink for the camera and passively cools it by around 20 degrees. So that's all from us at the Vision Show. We hope you enjoyed the talk, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.